guys, welcome to my channel where I share easy and affordable beauty tutorials. Today I'm going to share with you guys this new wig that I got from Wiggins Hair. This is what the wig looks like here. This is a beautiful, curly, super long, super full U-part wig. So I'm super excited to show you guys how I installed it. I decided to install this wig using the crochet method. So there is absolutely no leave out with this install here, which I thought would be my best bet since my actual leave out is a little fried. And when it comes to a texture like this, you want to have the best blend because it is so easy to find the leave out. And I did not want my leave out to be left out. I crocheted my part here. I could have crocheted all the way right here, but I decided to just do my part since the hair is so big and full, it camouflages everything. But if you wanted a more versatile look, definitely just crochet the hair right up to here. If you have the option to wear your hair back like this, not really in the ponytail. Well, yeah, actually, now that I'm feeling the back part of the wig, it's also very flat. You could do an ankle braid all the way around your head and then wear the wig in a ponytail as well. But the actual hair is super nice, super full, and I'm not getting any issues with tangling, shedding, anything like that. You can see I've been kind of playing around with the hair and no issues with tangling. And that's really important to me, especially when it comes to a texture like this. Curly hair is already a lot more maintenance than like a straight hair or a body wave. So I wanna make sure that it's really manageable, easy to maneuver, and this hair definitely is. The only thing that I put in this hair was water. I used my spray bottle. I have water and a little bit of Dove conditioner in there, and it was easy for me to finger detangle this hair. And honestly, I didn't even have to comb the hair out. So I could have left the wig as is, how it came, but I just wanted to show you guys, give like a really in-depth review of this hair. It's so much hair. It looks like a blanket on me. It's so cute. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let me know if you have any more questions or if you just want to know anything else about this hair. I have gotten wigs from Wiggins before, and I always love their hair. Honestly, with Wiggins, I always get wigs that are super full from there. So if you have any questions, let me know. Please be sure to like this video if you like it, of course. Subscribe to my channel for more easy, affordable beauty tutorials. And thank you guys so much for watching. Again, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I cannot wait to see you guys in the next one. So here we go, guys. This is the packaging that my wig came in. It does come with everything that you will need to install your wig. It did not come with a crochet hook though, so if you want to do your install like I did with the crochet method, you will need to purchase a crochet hook. But the wig looks perfect out of the packaging. Super cute, curly. The wig is constructed very nice as well. And I put it in my head straight out of the packaging. It doesn't need any work at all. Of course, you have to cut the middle part so that you can open up that U part for you. This wig came with clips, combs, and an elastic band, an adjustable elastic band on this wig. This is how it looks straight out of the packaging. I did use the combs. As you can see, I have those anchor braids at the top so I can start crocheting. And let me explain to you guys how I did that. So I put my crochet hook through my braids, and I just grabbed a piece of hair from the top of the wig, looped it around the hook on the crochet hook, and just pulled it straight through my braid. Now, since the hair is curly, when I was pulling it through my braid, it would get a little bit tangled, but it's super easy to detangle. It wasn't any knotting or anything like that. It was literally just because the hair is curly that I kind of had to brush it out so that it would lay flat with the rest of the hair. now that I am done with my crocheting, I am just adding water and conditioner to the hair, and I'm finger detangling. I was kind of playing with the hair to see if I should actually comb it out, brush it out, what I wanted to do, but it didn't need any work at all. Honestly, I didn't even have to wet the hair. This is what it looks like wet. But I only wet the hair to show you guys what it looked like. You really could have worn this hair. Well, I could have worn this hair straight out of the packaging. It didn't need any work at all. So this is what it looks like. I'm running my fingers through it, and it's curly hair. And I'm having no issues, no tangling, no shedding. My hands are going straight through the hair. I do have a little bit of conditioner in the water, but literally just a little bit. And the hair looks amazing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, enjoyed this wig. I do have the links in the description box down below if you're interested. Let me know if you have any questions about this wig or anything you'd like to know. And thank you guys so much for watching. Please be sure to like this video if you like it, of course. Subscribe to my channel for more easy and affordable beauty tutorials. And I cannot wait to see you guys in the next one.